you're new here, my name is Janelle. I am a hairstylist and nail tech in Montana, and I just like to make videos about all my fun new beauty things. And today I'm going to be trying at-home eyelash extensions, which it's not like when you go to the salon and they put like one eyelash on each of your individual lashes just to make them longer. It's more of a, like, what I would call like a temporary lash extension. So it's little like dropping things, like segments of lashes. I feel like it's hard to see. That you apply underneath your lashes. So I thought I'd just show you guys what I got. I ordered from Lilac Street, and I got their starter kit, which comes with this cute little bag, a bottle of lash glue with, I think it's just, I haven't even opened this yet, a little brush applicator, and then 2 different lengths of eyelashes. So it comes with their original lashes. I got the 10 and 12 millimeter in the kit, and then I also bought the 8 millimeters, so they're all just different lengths. And then I also bought, it's called Lilac Lash Crystal Coat. Brush through lashes right after applying Lilac's lashes to remove stickiness and extend lash wear. So I'm gonna try this out. We'll see how it goes, and I'll show you guys the results. So I forgot to mention, in that little starter kit I got, they also send these really pretty, like, I guess they're more bronze than rose gold, but special like applicator tweezers. They seem really nice, so I'll see if I like those better than my normal tweezers. Okay, so I'm gonna take my glasses off so you guys can see. I just have one eye done. I might have gone a little overboard because I overlapped the edges of each little segment a little bit, but this is what I have right now. Like you can tell, my natural lashes aren't super great right now, but I really like the way these look. I might have gone a little too close in the inner corner, but I'll see after a couple days or a day if I can stand them. But I did the 10 millimeter on this outer side, and then I did a few sections of 12 millimeter length, and then a 10 millimeter and an 8 millimeter on the inner corner just to taper it off. I'm gonna go do my other eye, and then I'll come back. Okay, so this is the finished look. They're super fluffy and long. Feels a little weird right now. I think, like I said before, I got them too close in here, so I might have to take them off in a day or so, but I'm gonna try and make it work. But yeah, so this is what they look like, all finished. Took me a lot longer than I was hoping to, but that's okay. I'll get the hang of it. A note about the tweezers, they don't come open very far, if you can see that. So I wish they opened a little farther, If you guys are gonna get this and use them, be careful not to get glue on your tweezers during the process, or else your lashes will just stick to the tweezers and nothing else. But overall, I really like these, and I hope that they wear well. I suppose if I keep wearing them and really like them, I can check back in and let you guys know. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will link my Instagram down below and also the Lilac Street website if you guys want to try these out yourself. Have a good one. Bye.